Activating Apple Intelligence with iOS 18.1 marks a significant leap forward in Apple's integration of AI capabilities across iPhones, iPads, and Macs. This update offers users an entirely new layer of functionality, from intelligent note summaries and advanced editing in photos to a contextually aware Siri. These additions transform how users interact with Apple's ecosystem, making devices smarter, more efficient, and better suited for a wide range of tasks. Apple Intelligence, as an AI-driven suite of tools, is gradually becoming central to Apple's vision for a more integrated, helpful technology experience. With this new rollout, users now have tools that make managing their digital life easier, addressing everything from productivity enhancements to creative aids. However, unlike regular system updates, activating Apple Intelligence requires a few specific steps. Apple is taking a phased approach to ensure each device integrates these new features smoothly, and that means users need to join a waiting list for the initial activation. This is all part of Apple's strategy to offer a stable, high-quality experience. If you're interested in enabling Apple Intelligence on your compatible iPhone, iPad, or Mac, it's essential to first confirm that your device supports the feature. Apple Intelligence is available only on certain newer models, which have the processing power required for these AI-driven tasks. For iPhones, you'll need either an iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Max, or any iPhone 16 model. On iPads, an M1 or later chip is necessary, and for Macs, you'll also need a model with an M1 chip or newer. The reason behind these hardware requirements lies in the computational demands of AI. Older devices without this processing power may struggle to run these advanced functions efficiently, which is why Apple has limited the feature to its more recent models. Before joining the waiting list, ensure that your device's language is set to US English, as this is currently a requirement for joining. This could be due to Apple's initial focus on testing in English-speaking regions to streamline early-stage development and address any potential issues. Once that's done, activating Apple Intelligence on an iPhone requires you to go into your settings, select the Apple Intelligence and Siri option, and choose Join the Apple Intelligence waiting list. After that, you simply need to wait until Apple notifies you that the features are available on your device, at which point it will automatically download the necessary components. The process for activating Apple Intelligence on an iPad is nearly identical to the steps for iPhone. After confirming compatibility, head to Settings, navigate to Apple Intelligence and Siri, and join the waiting list. Once notified, your iPad will download the required on-device components. This similarity in activation across devices ensures that users familiar with the iPhone setup will find the iPad activation seamless as well. On Macs, however, the activation pathway varies slightly. To activate Apple Intelligence, click the Apple menu, open System Settings, find Apple Intelligence and Siri, and then select Join the Apple Intelligence waiting list. Once your Mac has joined the waiting list and the features are available, you'll receive a notification to proceed with the download. Due to the enhanced AI functionalities, it's wise to ensure there's sufficient storage space on your Mac to accommodate the download. Once Apple Intelligence is activated, a wealth of new features becomes available across your device, fundamentally changing how you can interact with it. In Photos, the Clean-up feature is Apple's take on Samsung's Magic Editor, designed to help you make quick, seamless edits to photos by removing unwanted objects or adjusting elements with ease. This feature, integrated with Apple Intelligence, makes it simple to enhance and organize your photo library, allowing users to focus on creativity without the need for third-party apps. The Photos Cleanup tool is not the only upgrade Apple Intelligence brings to the Photos app. With iOS 18.1, Photos can intelligently group similar photos, help identify the best shots in a burst sequence, and even tag images automatically based on content, all of which make organizing large photo libraries more convenient. Apple Intelligence takes a similar approach with videos, allowing users to quickly find key moments in video clips. This is particularly useful for users who frequently capture video content, as it helps save time and effort by pinpointing the highlights. Siri's AI capabilities have also received a considerable boost with Apple Intelligence. With an improved understanding of context and follow-up questions, Siri now feels much more intuitive and human-like. For example, if you're asking Siri about the weather and then follow up with a related question like, "What about tomorrow?" Siri will understand that you're still inquiring about the weather. These capabilities make Siri more practical and natural to use, and they greatly enhance the way it interacts with users across all devices. Beyond typical queries, Siri now has a deeper integration with apps and can assist in ways that go beyond general knowledge questions. For instance, if you're working on a document and need a particular set of details from a previous project, Siri can help retrieve information without requiring you to dig through files manually. Additionally, Siri can manage simple workflows, such as setting up reminders based on context, making it easier to stay organized and on top of tasks. Writing tools is another area where Apple Intelligence stands out. Apple has enhanced its writing support with tools designed to improve grammar, offer suggestions, and even rephrase sentences for better clarity and tone. This tool is invaluable in apps like Notes, Mail, and Pages, making it easier to draft, edit, and polish documents. Writing tools doesn't just make corrections, it can also provide alternative wording or phrasing suggestions based on context, making your writing clearer and more impactful. On top of this, Apple Intelligence's summarization features help you sift through large amounts of information quickly. Summarization can be applied in various apps, such as Mail, where it can condense long threads and highlight key points. This functionality is especially beneficial for those managing extensive correspondence or long documents. Summarization helps users save time, keep track of important details, and reduce the mental load of going through large blocks of text, a feature that makes email and document management far more efficient. In addition to productivity features, Apple Intelligence extends to entertainment and leisure activities. For example, Apple Music benefits from AI recommendations tailored to the user's listening habits. If you frequently listen to a certain genre in the morning and switch to another in the evening, Apple Intelligence will learn this pattern and offer suggestions accordingly. It brings a more personalized experience to Apple's media offerings, enhancing the relevance of recommendations and creating a customized feel. Another subtle yet useful upgrade with Apple Intelligence is enhanced automation across Apple devices. With a deeper understanding of your daily patterns, Apple Intelligence can anticipate certain actions and make helpful suggestions. For example, if you have a habit of starting a workout at a particular time each day, your Apple Watch might remind you to start your preferred fitness app. Likewise, if you tend to dim your lights and turn on calming music in the evening, HomePod and HomeKit might prompt these settings automatically, creating a seamless smart home experience. An additional consideration is that Apple is rolling out Apple Intelligence gradually to ensure system stability across all devices. This staged approach means that features may not appear immediately after joining the waiting list. Instead, it may take a few hours for everything to activate. The staggered rollout is particularly aimed at ensuring that servers can handle the new AI loads effectively, and that no individual device encounters performance issues as a result of the update. The phased release of Apple Intelligence may feel slow, but it ensures that Apple can address any potential issues on a manageable scale. This approach gives Apple the flexibility to adapt the rollout as needed, providing users with a smooth experience rather than overwhelming servers or devices with a sudden influx of AI processes. Apple's approach reflects its commitment to delivering stable, reliable experiences rather than rushing the release of new features. Now that you've activated Apple Intelligence, it's time to dive into exploring the full range of features it brings. If you're focused on improving productivity, you'll find tools like Writing Tools and Siri's enhanced capabilities invaluable for streamlining tasks and managing information. Whether you're using your device for work, study, or personal projects, these features enable you to work more efficiently. For users who frequently manage large volumes of media, Apple Intelligence's integration with Photos, Mail, and Music offers numerous ways to enhance organization and discovery. Clean up in photos and AI-driven music recommendations add depth to the experience, making it easier to engage with your media library without spending hours sorting or curating. Additionally, summarization tools in Mail and other apps provide a quick way to get the gist of lengthy communications, saving valuable time. Apple Intelligence also adds value to day-to-day digital habits by enhancing your experience with personalized insights, contextual understanding, and smarter recommendations.